Worthy Mr. President and dear audience, the topic of my humble speech is the role of Allama Muhammad Iqbal in the foundation of Pakistan. We cannot deny that the history of India is filled with the cruelties and hardship for the Muslims. We know that the Hindus were prominent in the numbers. They always tried to command any cruelty against the Muslims of India. They tried to destroy the economy, the business, the trade, the education, even their beliefs. Respected audience, when such circumstances are created, Allah Almighty grants the personalities like Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. These are the personalities who mold the nation, build the nation and handle its decline by their hands and by having a solid belief all. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Respected audience, some people say that Allama Iqbal is the poet of the East. Easterns say he is the poet of the Muslims. But from my point of view, he is such a greatest poet who must be called the poet of humanity. At the last of my speech, I would like to close by saying that there are two primary sources of Allama Iqbal's dignity to gain the world's heights in his poetry. Number one is the Holy Quran and number two is his deep love for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. In some verses of his poetry, Allama Iqbal says, वो मुअज़्ज़िज़ थे ज़माने में मुसलमान होकर और तुम ख़वार हुए तारके कुरान होकर. He also says कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहां चीज है क्या लोहो कलम तेरे हैं. थैंक्स.